What is up, ladies and gents? This is Project Toro with another Cook with Toro. Today I'm going to be making ratatouille. So now, I'm trying to get away from eating too much meat and just having meat and rice. So I'm going to mostly focus on vegetables, and that's the reason why I came up with ratatouille. And no, that's not because I want to cook like the rat, but I do want to be able to cook more savory, more healthy meals, again, for my meal plans and my meal prep. So, like I said, today I'm going to be making ratatouille. Now, what I found out most about ratatouille is the fact that it's a lot of preparation. I had to go to Costco, and I had to go to Walmart, and I had to go to Publix in order to get the eggplant, the yellow squash, the bell peppers, all the ingredients for ratatouille. So if you're not a kitchen and cook enthusiast, like you don't like to cook, ratatouille is really one of those meals that I feel like you can get away with not eating. But again, like I said, I want to try different things. I'm going to try this ratatouille right now. So I'm prepping everything right now. As you could probably see right behind me, I have all the onions, the tomatoes. This is just trash that needs to go in the garbage. And then I have everything else here in the bowls. I'm going to show you just me prepping all the different things. And again, it takes a while. Like, really, it took me at least a good 30 minutes just to cut everything up, and to at least another maybe hour just to go to the supermarkets in order to find everything that I need to look for. So again, this is not something I would suggest that if you don't like cooking, don't do. It's not really all that. But I will tell you, and I would suggest that you at least try. I'm gonna cook it now. I'm prepping the stove right now, and I'll tell you exactly what exactly goes into the ratatouille. And let's get to it. It's time to prep. Well, rewind to prep.
Let's go. Right, here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic, mix in the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Let's go.
ladies and gents, so as you can see, it's all finished. To be honest, I think it was a great success. I enjoy it so much. I'm making rice right now, so that way I can put it on top of rice and some chicken. Guys, like I said, it's very tedious. It takes a long time to prepare, but to be honest, now that it's the end and now that I can taste it, spot on. Literally spot on. I enjoy it so much. So I would suggest at least once you should cook it to try it. And if you like it, maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 weeks. Depends on when you like to have a very high dense of a vegetable meal, because that's going to be a very dense vegetable meal for me. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with me and really letting me show you how to cook this, even though I'm learning myself, to be able to show you my journey on cooking other meals and learning to meal prep better and learning to do the meal plans better for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit that like button, comment, share this with somebody that you know should be putting more into their meal prep. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday for the fitness journey. Thanks, guys.